My name is CJ and I like Apple products. So, they shoot. They shoot. Hey, hold on. Wait, the comment section. Yo, come on, man. Hey. Okay, Android is king. Android is king. Waving my flag. What's up, YouTube? My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech, a little bit of sneakers. Now, look, I know. I rarely talk sneakers. They get a little cameo here and there and so forth, and anything creative. That's how we go. Okay, so I made a video not too long ago saying stop hating on the iPhone XS Max, because since its announcement, there's been just non-stop hate. It's like it's trendy to hate on Apple right now. And for my fellow brethren in the YouTube communities, how do you put this? You get a lot of views, you get a lot of traction, you get a lot of subs, you get a lot of toxic energy behind the hate of Apple, and it's beneficial to, I guess, both parties. Like the YouTubers speaking negative of Apple and agreeing with the masses that hate Apple. They get that toxic fan base to get behind them and rally behind them. Fair enough. But it's like, I've been very enthusiastic in the Android realm. I know a lot of people know me for my Galaxy Note 8 enthusiasm, as well as my Galaxy Note 9 enthusiasm, and it's all real. Like, I love the Galaxy Note line, period. No matter how much Apple products I continue to attain, I still love the Galaxy Note line. Why? Because I can. Just because I like a ton of Apple products doesn't mean I can't appreciate an Android product, or buy an Android product, or speak highly of another Android product. So, like, I'm for real. Like, some of you guys is like, are taking this way too far. You guys are investing too much time and energy into your brand loyalty and hate. Thank you for the sub, whoever that was. Yeah, yes, man. Anyways, let me express something that's like really than real, y'all. Just because you are tech savvy and you can handle Android and get in there and do X, Y, Z, doesn't mean the average person is like you. You know what I mean? Like, we get in this tech space, this tech bubble. You know, we are the anomaly. The majority is nowhere near as savvy, tech savvy as you and me. Yes, it can do so much more than iOS. Okay. But there's a lot of people who don't care. But you want to call them stupid. You want to feel like you're higher than them educationally and mentally because they choose to have something that fits their knowledge base. That's like calling someone who has a learning disability stupid. Like, come on, bro. Oh, man, I didn't talk negatively of the Note 9. I still love my Note devices. I talk negatively of the Android platform in comparison to iOS. It's my preference. I did a video not too long ago, Android versus iOS. Had a bunch of other creators weigh in on the subject, some being Android only, some being iOS only. And at the end of that, I gave my opinion. I prefer iOS. I appreciate and use both. Why? There are some of those cool features on Android, like multitasking, picture in picture while I do something else. I appreciate that. But then again, there's a stability. The popularity behind the iOS platform, not in the sense of everyone wanting it, but in the sense of app developers catering to iOS before Android. How many times have we seen an app release on iOS before Android? Why? There's a reason. That is the market. And yes, it may just be in the US, but that's where I'm at, and that's the market. Apple is the market in the US. And y'all hating on the ecosystem? Yo, the ecosystem makes so much sense. It works. Like, yes, there's crazy pricing behind Apple. Yes, I agree. I'm not fond of the prices that Samsung or Apple is charging at this moment. But it's kind of the nature of the beast that we built and fed. You guys just get hateful for no reason. You guys saying derogatory comments, trying to knock at me, trying to come at me and so forth. I'm cool with that. I already knew when I made the video. I know the mentality of the community. I'm okay. You're not hurting me, you know what I'm saying? I've been through a lot of other ill-ish in life to get all worked up over some YouTube comments. But you guys better believe I'm gonna bring, you know, some subtle mind thinking, and I'm gonna bring challenging debate. So at the end of the day, yes, I like Apple products. So what? I don't care if you hate Apple. A lot of Apple products, there's a reason. And don't get it twisted. I've tried a bunch of Windows products. I have a beast of a custom PC. Windows doesn't do it for me. I've tried Android phones from the Galaxy S, the first one from Samsung, Nexus 6P, Note 8, Note 9. So it's not like I'm just locked in a bubble of Apple ecosystem. I don't know. It's not like I'm locked in a bubble of just Apple only and, oh, I'm just some iSheep, I'm brainwashed and so forth. If Apple and Android products are the best fit for me, I'm really winning because I'm on both sides. I'm getting the best of both worlds. I'm not missing anything. And that's how I live. No brand loyalty. Yes, I prefer iOS over Android, but I appreciate Android just as much as I appreciate iOS. So I'm not really biased because I'm not just like Apple everything. I'm not Android everything. I'm just CJ everything. This is CJKnowsTECH. I'm sure I messed that up. Damn, that was a good extra outro. Man, this is CJKnowsTECH. I'm out, man. I like Apple products. So.
What's up, YouTube?
Siri, get the strap.